This is Bird Knot. I'm Jon Benjamin. Today, the good people at Bird Note have put together a little quiz for me to test my birding by sound skills. They're going to play me a sound, and I just have to guess if it's a bird or not. I really hope I pass. Okay, sound number 1, hit me. That's a bird. It's a small songbird. Sparrow. Oh my God. Okay, that was a black-capped chickadee. That is not a bird. That is my grandmother seeing a mouse. It's close. It's so close. That's a domestic cat. That's a giant bird. That is a massive bird. Was that Big Bird from Sesame Street? Northern Cardinal. One of my favorites. I can assure you that that is Tina from Bob's Burgers. Maybe a hawk? If not, a blue jay impersonating a hawk? Wow. I can't believe I got one. For Bird Note, this has been Jon Benjamin.